Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the option which is called System. Then let's tap on Gestures, and here we have to find Navigation Mode. So as you can see here, we've got 2 different options from which we can choose. So we've got the 3-button navigation, and unfortunately we cannot customize it in any way. So let's simply switch to gesture navigation just by tapping on this option at the top. And as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. We can customize them here just by tapping on the settings icon, and here we can change the back sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. It's completely up to you. And now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. So if you wish to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. That was too fast actually. From the side to the center, you will see this arrow, and you can release the finger, and as you can see, you can do it from the right side and from the left side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. Here we've got the home page, and if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, so elongate the gesture, something like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.